Yes, girl, I know you came for it. And we ain't wasting no time today. So I'm gonna get right into this because they really tried it with me, y'all. They tried it. See, we be telling y'all what goes on out here in these YouTube streets. So remember I did this tutorial Sunday? It was from a friend request, right? And I explained how to do 3D flower petals. And if I say so myself, they turned out pretty. The petals down the ring finger ended up looking like hearts and everything. And see, right here, I was explaining how to push the bead to form the petal. Yeah, this was just this past Sunday. And look how beautiful they turned out. You really should watch it if you haven't already, and I'll have a link at the end. Then, the very next day, guys, Monday. Tell me why Young Nails did a video doing the same thing. Similar petals, similar flower. I'm just saying. You don't find this suspicious? You don't find this suspicious? You don't find this suspicious? And I mean, of course Greg did a great job too, because after all, it is Young Nails, right? And we love them. But low key, I'm like, they could have at least shouted a sister out or something. Cause they seen my video. You know they did. But then high key, I was feeling good because it's almost like a compliment, right? Especially if a huge company like Young Nails does the same thing. I must have did something right. But check this out. Here's a surprising coincidence too. Remember I hadn't ordered any Young Nails in a few years since using it in school because I wanted to try other products on the market, right? Well, that time finally came and I ordered a week ago. And would you know, my Young Nails order arrived Monday, the exact day that they posted their copycat video. Now, I'm one to believe that all things happen for a reason. I don't know what that reason is because all is not always revealed to us, but I've been feeling good about this. And I ordered big, guys. Not big in the sense of a lot of different things, but I ordered large sizes. So look, I had to get and try their brush on glue because y'all know how I feel about a good brush on. And I don't remember having this before. It's a really good size and it's completely full. And I do plan to get more of it if I like it, which something is telling me I should have anyway. Then I wanted to try their rose oil too. And it smells so good. It has this super clean freshness. I got it sentimentally. It's from a story I told on my channel a long while back. Some of you may remember it. It was about me growing up thinking my middle name was Rose. So now each time I use this, that memory will remain cherished in my heart. And I've always used the Protein Bond. I do have other brands too, but I'm pretty much running out of this. And then here's the huge stuff. I wanted to make sure that I ordered to last and also so I could split some between home and school. So these powders are 85 grams, which is 1/100th less of 30 ounces. So that gives you an idea of how large. Like a good sized jar of, I don't know, hair cream maybe. Oh, and this was during their recent sale, so there was a discount code. And then for the powders, I got what I felt were my basic primaries. So I got Core Pink, Cover Beige, and Core Clear. So as you could see, all of these are going to last a long way. Then for the big stuff, a gigantic bottle of Swipe, okay? I'm talking 32 ounces. Then this enormous bottle of nail liquid, which is their monomer. You have to see this. So my camera, well actually phone, is about 13 inches off the table. And look at the cap to the bottle is like right there. So the bottle is pretty much the height of a ruler. And Young Nails liquid doesn't have an offensive smell. I already know I'm going to enjoy this because I'm very familiar with their product line. This is the monomer, and it actually has like a very lightly sweet smell. Then I'm going to show you the two powders, and then they're clear. So this is the core pink. The coverage on this has just enough pink tone that it doesn't overpower the natural color of a nail bed. And what I also like is how well it covers the harsh line of the free edge, just perfectly. Now the consistency of the cover beige, I will have to get used to as I use it, but it's so smooth. And if you were wondering about their cover clear, I'll take care of that right now, and you'll have to see this. You'll see how it lays, then with the glossy top coat, then finally how clear it is. Now you guys know I was just having fun with this video, right? It was the timing and everything for me, even that the package came right on time. And I'm very happy with my Young Nails order. But next time, Greg, Habib, or even Stacy, y'all say hello to us here at Pick You Color. Now just look at that Young Nails, y'all. That clear is clearing. And if you haven't seen my video of those beautiful 3D petals, you can enjoy it here. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Much love.